1. Eco-friendly products. Start a business focused on sustainable and eco-friendly products, addressing the growing demand for environmentally conscious consumer choices. 2. Digital marketing agency. Capitalize on the digital era by offering services such as social media management, SEO, and content creation to help businesses establish and enhance their online presence. 3. Health and wellness services. Tap into the health and wellness trend by offering services like personalized fitness plans, nutrition consulting, or mental health support. 4. Remote work solutions. With the rise of remote work, consider providing tools, software, or consulting services to help businesses optimize their remote work setups and productivity. 5. Personalized e-commerce platforms. Create a platform that offers personalized shopping experiences, using AI and data analytics to tailor product recommendations based on individual preferences and behaviors.